Hi guys, so today I'm here in San Narciso, Zambales to give help such as food packs to the people, and I'm very happy to be part of this charity event together with BG88 Philippines. I'm very happy because I got to meet a lot of kids and mommies, and of course, they are all friendly at napakamasiyahin nila. I'm happy because they all cooperated well and napakadisiplinado nila sa lugar nila. This is one of the successful charitable event held by BG88 Philippines. I'm so glad to be part of this charitable event and thank you Lord for the successful event. Sana ay marami pang magawang charity event si BG88 sa marami pang lugar. At sana isa na yung lugar niyo doon.
Are you kidding me? You're the most beautiful girl I've ever laid eyes on.
Whatever, you're just saying that.
What? You really don't think you are?